2020 Select Football Hobby. Best of luck, Brian. Thanks so much for hopping back in. Here we go. Again, got a lot of nice 2020 product in stock up on the site. We've got basketball, football, baseball, UFC. We've got Leaf Art of Sport. Got a lot of great stuff in stock. Let me know if you have any questions or looking for anything specific. But yeah, open queue after Brian's box. Here we go. Chase Young rookie. Michael Vick club level. We've got Lightning out of 99 for the Bucks, a Chris Godwin. Chris Godwin patch. Silver CJ Henderson for the Jags, and a Jason Huntley. Josh Allen, Joshua Kelly rookie. We've got blue checkerboard, Antonio Gibson. That is out of 175. Silver, Darrington Evans, Titans, and a field level rookie for the Ravens, Devin Duvernay. Jordan Fuller, rookie, Rams. Gardner Minshew. Got silver selections, Jordan Love for the Packers. Silver club level Jets, Denzel Mims, and a Antonio Gibson rookie. CJ Henderson, rookie, Jags. Jordan Love, rookie, Packers. We've got snapshots of Michael Thomas. Silver rookie for the Rams, Jordan Fuller, and a Phillip Rivers, Colts. This pack open. All right, Cam Newton. Patrick Queen rookie. Got Bo Jackson selections. Silver Gardner Minshew, Jags, and a CeeDee Lamb rookie for the Cowboys. All right, still looking for two more autos. Sam Darnold. Cole Kmet, club level rookie. We've got Denzel Mims, light blue, /99, Jets. Josh Allen, silver, and Saquon Barkley, Giants. Kyler Murray. Peyton Manning, club level. We've got maroon, Phillip Rivers. We've got auto next, out of 75 for the Jets, a Bouchard Perriman. Perriman auto. And we've got rookie Jeff Okudah for the Lions. Laviska Shenault Jr. rookie, Jags. Isaiah Simmons rookie, club level. We've got red Laviska Shenault Jr. Nice one there for the Jags. That is out of 99. Up next, out of 75, we've got white RPA of Henry Ruggs III. Raiders. And then a Lamar Jackson, Ravens. See if we get another XRC out of this one. Last one we did. Carson Wentz, Cole Kmet rookie, Bears. Silver selections, Jared Goff. Silver Denzel Mims, Jets. And a T. Higgins rookie, Bengals. Peyton Manning. James Robinson, rookie, Jags. DeAndre Swift, rookie selections. Silver club level, Dan Marino. And a James Morgan rookie. All right, couple packs left here for you, Brian. Got Denzel Mims rookie. Dwayne Haskins, tricolored rookie of Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Nice hit there. That is out of 199. And his teammate, field level silver rookie, or sorry, not rookie, Travis Kelce. And a Josiah DeGuara, field level rookie. All right, last pack here for you, Brian. What's up, Dodgers? Jason Moore rookie. Alvin Kamara. A Lamar Jackson Phenoms. Silver, Sam Darnold. And a nice way to end it here, a base Justin Herbert rookie. All right, there you go, Brian. Congrats on those hits. Thanks once again for helping back in. We do appreciate you. And we'll be getting these right out to you.